welcome to Bill's How-To. Today I'm going to show you how to change cabinet doors that slam shut into cabinet doors that soft close. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So this is a really easy, cheap and fast fix for anyone to fix themselves. The reason why these cabinet doors here slam shut is simply to do with the hinges that have been installed. These are standard style hinges, which means they don't have the soft close feature. Now when we close the door now, you can see they're completely slammed shut. What we're going to do is simply swap them over for some soft close hinges. Now these ones here are full overlay hinges and their soft close literally cost $8 for a set. So they're very, very cheap. I'll put some links in the description below. What we're going to do is open up this packaging here. You've probably seen on a previous video how to install these hinges, but just in case you've missed it, I'll show you once again. So they come with two little pieces here. We've got our backing plate and our main piece. We just need to hook this section here onto the back like that, and then we're just going to simply press it in place. So that's now clipped in place, ready to be installed. So we're going to replace one hinge at a time, that way the door won't have to completely come off. And also if the hinge style is slightly different, the whole location may be different, it's a lot easier to line it up using the existing hinge that's still in place to line everything up. So it's nice and simple. Take off this side here first. Put the screws on the side so you don't lose them. Alright, hold on to that door so it doesn't drop to the ground. Now you can see here, this one here is slightly different of a design. We've got here a little backing plate that we can actually remove from the back here. Might need to get a chisel, but I'll just see if we can get this one here off. That one's out. Now this backing plate here, just a little mounting plate. We don't actually need it, that's for the old design. Now with this one here, we're going to take our new one, drop this one here on top, and this one here lines up pretty good. So we're going to install this one here in. Literally will take you about 2 minutes to replace the hinges, and also about $8 in cost. So it's very, very cheap. Easy to do yourself. Now that we've still got our bottom hinge in place, this one here isn't going anywhere. We can line it up perfectly with our existing holes if they work. If not, we know based on the spacing from our bottom hinge, make sure it's nice and consistent all the way up, and then we know that that is going to be the right location there. Rather than trying to work everything out. That's that one there. Alright, so this hinge is now completely replaced. We're going to do the same thing with our bottom hinge, and I'll show you guys the difference. So now we've got soft close hinges installed on the left side. Our standard ones are still here on the right. If we close the right one to compare, then we'll close the left one. That is what you guys can expect, and I did put a fair bit of force on that one there. If we close it gently, you can see there it slowly compresses in. Very nice soft close feature for literally $8 and about 2 minutes of your time. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How-To.